Are we a manufacturing company? Are we a construction company? Technology company? An architecture firm? We are all of those things, working together under one roof. A single expert solution, making it easy to get the building you want. For large-scale design, manufacturing, and construction of luxury apartments, parking garages, office buildings, student housing, and world-class hotels. FINFROCK has revolutionized the building process, reducing risk and time with industry-shaping innovations, combining the best of manufacturing and construction. We work with clients as a trusted advisor from the initial idea to the final piece, bringing big visions to life in less time with a guaranteed price up front. We're always breaking new ground. You can too with FINFROCK. Experience a new way to build.